Hello, this is Mrs. J. Today we're going to look at shape sheet number 2 for Autodesk Inventor. The scale is 1/4 inch per box. I'm going to do shape number 8. I'm going to do this by, see these lines here? These are just construction lines. They're not part of the object. I'm going to make this box and extrude it back. It looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's go to Inventor. Make sure you're in your Shapesheet 2 project file. Start a new part. Start a new sketch. I'm going to do it on the XY plane. I'm going to use the rectangle tool. Rectangle tool, hit the origin, drag to the right, and we're going to say 8 times 0.25 tab. That's 2 inches. 6 times 0.25. For times, I'm using the star, the asterisk button on my keyboard. Hit escape. So it ended up being 2 inches by 1.5 inches. 2 inches by 1.5. Finish the sketch. Hit the home button. Okay, then we're going to extrude it back. So hit extrude, drag it the other direction, or hit flipped. And I think it's 1.25 or 5 boxes times 0.25. So 1.25. There you go. Okay, let's see what we're looking at. Let's cut off this little piece first. So if I look down at it, that's easiest for me. I'm going to work on this plane and cut this edge off. New sketch. Put it on the top. Right there. So it's going to flip it around. You're going to see top over here in the view cube. Let's see how we can approach this. Oh, I see it. Okay, it looks like it is. Let's take the line tool, go to the bottom right corner, and drag the line tool to the left. Make sure you're 180 degrees so it's straight. 0.75, enter. I think that worked. I literally can't see that. I'm just going to go on top of it. Now I see it. Yeah, it didn't work the last time. All right, you see the dimension? Now it shows 0.75. That's the bottom part. How tall up is it? Okay, it looks like it's also 3 in this direction. So origin again, line tool. Make sure it's 90 degrees, 0.75, and then connect your dots. You need to have a closed surface. I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to move it over so you can see it. You need to have a closed surface in order to extrude or cut. So see that? Okay, finish your sketch. They're black. That's what I'm looking at, the black triangle. Finish your sketch, extrude, hit flipped, hit cut. It looks like it did it already. And then just make sure you're going through your object. So I didn't quite go through here. Drag it bigger than your object, hit OK. Hit the house button, get it back in front of you. There you go. Okay, so now in order to get the other side, you want to come on this side of it. So totally flip over there and just cut across. We could do it here, but since we cut that out, it's kind of hard. So we'll go on the other side. Okay, let's go to turn it around a little bit, rotate, get around the back there. That's the left side. Left side. I'm just going to rotate so you can see where I went. See where I am? We were here. And I went around to the left side right there. Once I see it, I click the view cube. That way it's in front of me. Start a new sketch. Throw it on that left side view. And then let's see if I can figure this out. It is 2 inches from the bottom. So let's throw that line down there. Line tool. Bottom. Go straight up 90 degrees. 0.5. Enter. And then how across? Oh, it goes all the way across. All right. Go all the way to the corner. Come across the top. Even though you see a black line there, you need to add another one. It's a new object. And come back down. So you need to have a new black triangle right there. Finish your sketch. You can hit the house button if you like to watch it. Hit extrude. Flip it or cut it. And then drag it through the whole object. Just make sure it's bigger then. There you go. Don't forget to save your work, add some color, and put it on a drawing sheet. Thanks for watching.